What to do if water constantly comes out of the toilet? Remove the plate where the buttons are. Remove the plastic cover and the cover, until you have free access to the tank. Often the tank fills up with dirt and you just have to do this several times to make the dirt go away. Try to reassemble everything to see if you have solved the problem.